There is a big news from Tesla Giga Texas. Just a little bit ago I reported an interesting news that all roads at Giga Berlin are being asphalted, but there is also big news coming from Tesla Giga Texas. Big news is that the width of the foundation is growing wider. How wide? We'll talk about that in a moment. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel if you would like to have daily Tesla news, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who has been sending us regular Tesla Giga Texas stories from Austin, went there 2 days ago, actually 2 days ago on the 26th, and reported this, saying big news is that the width of the foundation of Tesla Giga Texas is growing wider, perhaps doubling as new ground leveling and gravel application is expanding further westward. So did you see that? The ground and the foundation of Giga Texas is probably doubling in size, growing bigger toward further westward. Joe says although it is hard to get exact measurements, it may grow to be about 700 feet, which is 213 meters wide or even more. Overall length is also difficult to measure, but estimates of 5,000 feet, which is 1,525 meters, or even longer are probably in the right ballpark for Giga Texas. Even though we may not yet know the actual dimensions of the foundation of Tesla Giga Texas, there is no doubt, he says, that this is going to be a massive gigafactory. No wonder Elon Musk once called it a terafactory. It will be interesting to see where foundations for other support buildings will begin to emerge, but that will be for a future video, Joe says. Friends, in fact, Gigafactory Nevada has the largest property, but Giga Texas, which also has a huge property, it's the biggest second to Giga Nevada, and it's larger than Giga Berlin, which is very big. So, but Giga Texas is going to apparently have the biggest Gigafactory in terms of building size. Joe also says that GeoPier foundation work continues in the middle section of the Gigafactory, in the middle section of the growing foundation, and now it is rapidly becoming one continuous area, which is great to see how fast this is happening. It seems that they have already completed installing these foundations in the northern gravel section and are now working south of Giga Texas. Once the rest of the north section is revealed and gravel brought in, I suspect they will return and do more drilling and filling with compacted gravel to ensure all of the foundation of Tesla Giga Texas is well supported. That's what they do. In other areas, Joe says, land clearing and pond draining continues in the north and southeast, as well as the south, and the last remaining northwest pond is about 75% gone now. There is new activity in most of the east construction area of Tesla Giga Texas, removing trees, ponds, and filing low areas, as it is evident work on something is beginning in this area. Ground level across the main construction area west of the power lines is rapidly becoming flat, which, looking back about a month ago, is quite impressive. Joe also says that, I hope this video is helpful, guys. Joe is going to provide us more videos in the future. If it is, please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and also support Joe's channel. I will have the link in the description of this video, and look forward for my next report. Continue watching Joe's video and look for my next report about what Elon Musk says about drone flyers over Gigafactory constructions. What he said refers to Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai. There is some very interesting good news and support, and I want to take the opportunity to thank all our friends who have been providing drone videos and images from Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, particularly Joe, Jürgen, Tobias, Albrecht, Vuva from Shanghai, and some others that I want to acknowledge here. Please like this video to show your appreciation of their works, friends, and let's continue watching Joe's videos to seeing how Giga Texas Tesla factory is emerging there and at rapid space. In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news, and I'll see you in our next report. I have a couple of very interesting reports coming about Tesla later today, so look for keep an eye on our channel, please. See you soon, friends. Thank you, Joe, and we're gonna continue watching Joe's video.